Hi! In front of me is Google Pixel 5a, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this device. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then install your new default apps. I will go with some kind of SMS app. Maybe this one. And some browser. Let's go with Firefox. When your apps are ready, go into Settings. In Settings, you need to click on Apps section over here. Scroll down and click on Default Apps. Now tap on one of those sections. In my case, I want to change browser and SMS apps, so I have to click on one of those. Tap on an app that I wish to apply and click on the back button. As you can see, after that, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!